Good day, people. Welcome to my channel. I'm Terry Daz, and today I'm going to bring you something that I know has been asked for a lot. Now, this is giving the ability to mods to add commands into your chat. Now, we've said before that because Streamerbot is so versatile in the way how it handles things, this has been really difficult to do. But so it has never been put on, but we found a way to do it, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So let's get into it. So first thing you need to do is grab the code, which will be on the coffee. Which, if I show you this, you read this code. You just copy and paste this into the import section. You don't add, no, not add. Sorry, I'm in the wrong section. You import. You can import the string into there, and it'll add the command. So if I just copy this, copy, paste. Oops, I didn't grab the T from the start. You can see all my commands are there, and you just press import, and it'll bring them in. But I've already done that, just to save a little bit of time. Next thing you need to do is make sure all these compile. Now, to get these compiled, you need to add system.link to them. You can see your references, system.link. This is what it needs. To add references, as you know, you just add a reference and you type system.link in there, find it, press add, and it'll add. And just to check it, compile. If it don't compile, you aren't doing it right, and try again. So you need to make sure all these codes compile. That's all it is, just a bit of code in each one. However, comlist is a little bit different. Comlist needs an extra one. Comlist needs system.car. References system.car. There you go. That's what comlist needs. So once you've got all them to compile, you're pretty much set up. All you need to do is go to commands and create all the commands for them. So the commands match the title of the sub action just to make sure it's easier. So add com first, comlist, delcom. And also you need to make addcom, delcom, and editcom all moderator only commands. The last one here where I've done hashtag is this is how you're going to trigger the commands. So you can use exclamation point, but I've liked using hashtag for whatever reason. But again, that's what it is, and you add that to the com name sub action, and you press OK. So everything's set now. So really, everything should work. So let's give it a test. So to add a command, before you actually add any commands, you've got to do com first. You do com first. I spelled first, right? Third time's charm. Com first. Now that won't do anything. It won't respond in chat to all or anything. But what it does do is it create, if when I go to save, yes, you can see it's created this list, this command here. It's created this variable. This is your list. So this is when you do a list, it'll pull you all the variables you need. So now you've done that, you don't need to do anything else. You don't need it to be enabled, so you can go enabled no, and you can turn it off, or you can delete it. From first can go, because that's all you need it for. The next thing you need to do is now add a command. So add com test if test. Now if I do, now if I pull that, you can see it's going to pull out. This is a test, and it pulled it. Again, I can edit that. Test. When you add or delete or edit, well, you put the command, then you put the command like name. So for me, this is test, but you don't put exclamation point, hashtag, or anything. You just put the test bit. Again, don't use 2-word commands because otherwise you can't put space. You can put a dash. Oh. So test, this is edited. So there you go, it's edited. So now when I do hashtag test, you can see it's edited it. And that's how it's done. And again, I can delete it. Before I do delete, I want to show you the com list. I've only created one command, So as you see, it's called test. You can do multi-word commands. So you could do how so, and then you could say to add command to add com. This is where you put add com. Before I'll do this, because I'm doing this, I can do this because I put add com as start. If you've got add com anywhere, this will doing it this way. While I'm doing it in the example won't work. Trigger, and then output, and then when I do hashtag how dash to, it's pulled out. Add a command, do add com, trigger, output, and that's how we do. And again, if I do com list, it's going to pull out test and how to. Now I can delete a command, and let's delete test. Test has been deleted, and again, if I do com list, you can see that it only pulls the how to now, so it's gone. Again, if you try to edit a command that doesn't exist or delete a command that doesn't exist, it will tell you the command doesn't exist. So delcom gg, you can say command doesn't exist. So that's how it works. Again, if you try add a command that already exists, it's going to tell you it exists. So I'll fix this. So that is how it works. The one feature that I did add is the user variable. So we're going to add com user, and we'll say you are, and let's do user. So you write it as it would be in Streamerbot with the % signs user. Add that, and then if I do hashtag user, it's there. It's put my name in there. So again, I can do that. So this is how it works. This is as much as information as you really need. It shows it that it works like a normal one would do. You know, you put in add com, edit com, delete com. You put in your trigger word, then you put in your output. It's simple. If you want to use a user variable, you can use a user variable. They're the only variables available. That's the only variable available at the moment. If you do want more, let me know, and I'll look into adding them. But let me know what you think of this. I know it's been asked for a lot, so I'm happy that we've been able to sit down and find a way to do it so that people can have that if they so wish. But if you do encounter any problems, let me know. If you encounter any issues with it, let me know. And if you really like it, let me know. Just let me know what you think of it. And I will see you on the next video. Again, all the links you need for it are going to be below. And I will see you there. Thanks for watching.